Stay tuned to see how to make this DIY diamond picture hanger. Started by taking this splatter screen, and I ended up removing the entire screen. I wanted to use just the outer ring, and I thought this was a cool way to utilize this from the Dollar Tree. So once you remove the screen from the metal round, this is what you'll have. It's just an empty metal ring that you can now use to create your picture hanger. Now, I did end up using a little too much force when I was using my pliers to remove the screen, but we're going to fix that with a little bit of the hot glue. So I'm just going to start by adding my strings, going back and forth across the circle, and this is going to be what creates our hanging string that we will be attaching our clothespins to hang our pictures from. I started by just tying a knot on that one side and double knotting it just to make sure it stays secure, and then I'm going to proceed with going back and forth across the different sides of the circle to attach my string. Now we're going to go ahead and attach our diamond wrap. I'm just using hot glue in small sections so that it doesn't dry on me, and using this diamond wrap to wrap around our picture hanger. Take your time, be careful. The hot glue is of course hot, and you do not want to burn yourself like I did several times. And you'll just continue to go around the complete circle, and doing it this way allows you to cover up those knots that you've created with adding your strings. Of course, you guys can customize this however you want. If you like, I've seen some where they've added flowers and a whole bunch of different decorations, but it's easily customizable and completely up to you. Once the hanger is completely covered, you'll add your wood clips and your pictures, and this is what your finished DIY diamond picture hanger will look like. I truthfully could not find a place to hang it up, and so that is why you are looking at it propped up against one of the backgrounds that I've been working on. But I just went ahead and added a couple of pictures that I have around. Making this picture hanger made me realize just how many pictures are only on my phone and none are printed out. So that will be something that I will be working on, having more pictures around the house. Let me know down below whose picture would make it onto your picture hanger. Thank you for joining me for another video this week. I had a lot of fun recreating this DIY picture hanger that I've seen so many other people do. I've seen people use hula hoops to create a really big one. I didn't need a huge one around my house, which works out because this came out so cute. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friend, and turn on the bell for notifications. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.